জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
You know, Nayan, I'm thinking if I can do what I wish to. And right then I heard you singing. Where are you going, Nayan?
It's already late at night, sir. The wedding preparations will be in full swing from tomorrow. Lots of work are pending. You have to get up early as well, sir. You better get some sleep, okay?
You sing really well, Nayan. My mother also used to sing well, you know. And your song reminds me of my mother.
My singing reminds you of your mother? How fortunate I am, sir.
But why did you come to the terrace to sing?
I share my room with others downstairs. So, in front of them,
It's difficult to hide your tears in front of them, right?
no, it might disturb their sleep if I sing there. So I came here.
All right. I believe you. But I've got a question regarding the song you sang today.
Question?
Yes, question. Just now you sang, "You know me not." Nayan, do you know yourself? Do you know who you actually are?
I am trivial, sir. So whether I recognize myself or not, whether I know who I am, nobody is bothered about them. But the one you want to spend your entire life with, you should know her properly, sir. That is all I want. I'll now take your leave, sir.
You won't pour your heart out, will you? Even if you get shattered from the inside, you think you won't let anyone get a whiff of it. Let me see. Let me see how you remain so adamant.
Deepu? Hey, Deepu! Look at this boy. He's still sleeping when his wedding is the next day. Hey, Deepu? Deepu, get up. Deepu, come on, get up. You are still sleeping? Listen, I'm going downstairs. You get ready and join me. Okay? Piku, Vicky, do I have to wake you all up too? There's a wedding in this house and nobody's bothered. Strange.
Coming, Mom. I'm coming downstairs. I have to explain things to some people. I'm coming.
Hey, what's happening? Where is everybody? Oh Lord, I've been calling since. Where are all of you?
Hey, what's all the fuss about?
Shouldn't there be fuss? Tomorrow is Deepu's wedding and no one seems to be bothered.
Tell me, what do you want me to do? Last night we sat together to fix the shopping list.
So is that all? Isn't it Deepu's pre-wedding ritual today? This needs to be arranged. Hey, what's wrong? Where are you all? There you are. What's up? Where have you been? I had been calling you for so long. Didn't you hear me? Go and wait there. I'll come and explain what to do. Go. Oh. Mom, you all have come. Mom, I know that you can't help with the wedding arrangements. You can't even participate. But you have to give all the instructions. It's your elder grandson's wedding after all. Hey, Rangana, why are you standing here? It's Dripto's wedding. You have to lend a hand. Come on, come along, come.
Mother, won't you call Aunt?
Pratima, she'll start taunting if I call her. Anyway, let her come. Let her speak her mind. Nobody can stop me today. Oh, yes. She's also a married woman in this family. I forgot.
No, Sanjukta. You are absolutely wrong. Others may forget that I am a married woman, but you won't forget it.
What are you trying to say, Pratima?
What I'm trying to say is the rift being created between my husband and me, and my husband leaving me, Sanjukta, my life getting all messed up. These are not the incidents that you will forget, right, Sanjukta?
Are you blaming me? Do it. Today, I won't answer you back, Pratima. Because in return for those small issues, I've given you a fitting reply. Deepu is getting married to Jasmine. What do they say about bashing your enemy?
Enemy? Why are you talking about enemies, Sanjukta? What do you mean by these words?
Tapabrata, why are you... Look, Sanjukta, look who has come. Come, Jasmine, come here.
Hey, someone, please bring the conch shell. Hey, Jasmine, you didn't put the red dot.
Oh, I forgot about it. I'll go and put it.
Hey, wait, you don't need to go. I will ask one of the maids to bring it for you. Nayan, come here for a moment.
Sanjukta will deliberately make Nayan do all this. I can't stand and watch all this. I am going.
Wait, Pratima. Stay here. You can't do anything by escaping. Stay here quietly. Go and bring the red dot for Jasmine. You gave your word that you would take all the responsibility for the wedding. You should keep an eye on everything, right? You should have noticed that Jasmine is not wearing the red dot. I'll bring it, ma'am.
Oh, Nayan, forgive me, my child. Please forgive me.
Did you ask me to stay here just to see Nayan getting insulted like this, mother?
No. Despite being so young, Nayan is enduring so much. Can't we tolerate this much? She's trying to prove that Jasmine is not worthy of being Dripto's wife. That she's not right for him. You never know when she might need our help. Just stay here for a moment. Stay here. Quietly. Don't go anywhere. Nayan is here with the red dot. Come, come, come. Good. Nayan, put the red dot on Jasmine.
She is deliberately making my friend do all this. It makes my blood boil. I will teach her a lesson.
What happened? Put it.
Oh no! It is ruined!
Did you see, Aunt? How dare she do this to me?
Can't you do anything properly?
Oh no! Why are you scolding her? It happened because of me. And listen, Xiaomi, put it yourself. This is what happens when you make others do things for you.
Keep quiet, Rangana. Don't try to defend Nayan. It was her plan. She showed us at the beginning of the day what service she will provide at the wedding.
She deliberately brought liquid dot.
No. I didn't bring it deliberately. I got it because it was handy.
Quiet. Just keep quiet. I don't want to listen to your excuses. What is this? This girl came all decked up. Will she now roam around with a messy dot? Tell me what she will do now. Answer me. Don't stay quiet, Nayan. You have made a mistake, admit it.
Don't scold her, Sanjukta. She didn't do it deliberately.
Do not support her, please. She will have to tell us how she will fix this. Answer me, Nayan. Answer me, speak up.
Lotus. Oh, Lotus. What should I do now? How do I fix this?
Jasmine, you better wipe that off. Mom, don't say anything to Nayan.
Again. He stood by me in my need again.
What? She ruined Jasmine's makeup and you're asking me to not say anything to her.
Now Dripto will give such an answer in favor of my friend that mother will be shaken. She will be shocked.
Mom, what's the point of saying all this? I was skeptical from the beginning. I always knew that she can't handle the responsibilities of the wedding in a rich family. Actually, she is not used to all this. And it was expected from her that she'd definitely goof up.
Dripto? Even you have changed.
Mom, I don't want mistakes in any of the work by assigning it to just anyone. Mom, this is an important ceremony.
He didn't behave like this until yesterday. What happened to him all of a sudden that he's talking so rudely? Why is Dripto doing this? Is it because I called Jasmine a bad person? Or is there any other reason?
You're absolutely right. I should have thought of it earlier. The one who can't put a red dot properly, how can she manage the whole wedding?
Hey friend, Dripto always stands by you. Why is he insulting you like this today?
You insulted Nayan again like this, Deepu.
Aunt, I didn't insult her. I just told Mom that she was given a responsibility which she failed to do. So next time we need to think twice before entrusting her with responsibilities. Simple.
The girl who is dedicating her life to our family. Can't you see her effort, Deepu? Which job has she failed to do that you're insulting her in front of everyone?
Really? Has she fulfilled all the responsibilities? Nayan, did you fulfill all the responsibilities that were given to you? If you can prove that Mom doesn't approve of this wedding, then I'll call off the wedding with Jasmine.